Looking for the best software to convert images into high-quality vector graphics? In this video, we'll explore Vector Magic Desktop Edition, one of the most powerful and accurate tools for turning raster images like JPG, PNG, BMP, and GIF into scalable vector formats such as SVG, EPS, and PDF. We'll cover everything step by step, including how to download and install the software directly from the official website, vectormagic.com. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Vector Magic Desktop Edition. Click on the first page of Vector Magic Desktop Edition, or go directly to vectormagic.com. I've also added the link in the description. Step 2. Once the website loaded, click on Download Free Trial. If you use Windows, click on Windows, or if you use Mac, select Mac. The download will start easily just with one click. Wait for the download to be done, and once the download done, simply on the setup and install it. Step 3. Once everything done, open Vector Magic Desktop Edition and import your image or logo to it. As you can see, the logo is transparent, but that is not enhanced and not a logo or vector. So click on Fully Automatic green button and wait for the process to be done. So once it's done, just see how the logo is enhanced and turned into a vector. Once everything ready, in the left choose file type, AI, DXF, EMF, EPS, PDF, SVG. Now click on Save As, and here also choose your file type. Here you can see the difference.